Alright, boys and girls, bandaholics from around the world, welcome back. I'm pleased to know you're here. We're all excited because we still have hella more bands to look at. There's just so many. I hope you got a chance to check out the fresh new colors for the new braided solo style and Nike sport bands. If you haven't, I'll attach a card at the top right, but for today's video, we're going to chug right along and continue showcasing the new colors. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new sport band colors, but hold your horses. I know some of you guys are dying to get some of these bands or even all of them. Well, you're in luck because you can win any of the bands featured in this video absolutely free. But in order to find out how, you'll have to stick around until the end of the video. After this video, it'll make 11 out of the new 48 bands released, so we still have plenty of styles to go. I'm just waiting for FedEx to deliver all of my packages. But honestly, with so many bands, we don't have much time to waste, so let's get this party started. So, the sport band line. The style most people associate when they hear the name Apple Watch, and for good reason. It's your standard fluoroelastomer band that is super comfy, great for sports, and durable. It has that pin and tuck closure that ensures the band stays consistent and secure on the wrist. It's one of the reasons I adore this line and all of its vibrant colors. For this season, we get 5 new sport band colors. I have 4 here, but I purposely did not include the product red because I ordered the product red watch with the fresh new red band, so that band will be shown and flexed hard on that video. Stay tuned. But for now, we work with what we got, and first up we have Ginger. What a nice name for this yellow looking band. The yellow here isn't this extremely flamboyant yellow. Instead, it's more of a creamy, soft kind of yellow. Kind of sort of like pastel yellow. It has more of a pale effect rather than a super bright yellow feel. I think it works perfectly, especially with the fall season and everything getting cooler. I for the longest was never a fan of yellow bands, but slowly I'm starting to really dig them. Ginger is definitely an interesting one and a band I think will be rare one day, just being the nature of orange and yellow bands. They go by pretty fast. Alright, we move along and now take a look at Cypress Green. Before we proceed, yes, this is my new favorite of the sport band line. Yo, this is my personal opinion, but I absolutely love pine green colors and burgundy. So this green here fits the bill perfectly for me. And the best part is that this band looks pretty dark around situations that have little lighting, which makes it amazing to match up with your outfit. Even in sunlight, the band is pretty dark and radiates a very powerful dark green color. It's like it glows even though it's not a flashy band. That's how amazing this green is. This green is very pronounced. It really has a lot of character to it, but it mysteriously is flashy without being so. I absolutely adore the color and am 100% confident anyone with darker colored casings will love it too. Cypress Green, ladies and gents, my god, it's so beautiful. For the next one, we have our blue color of the season, that being deep navy, and once again, we have a fantastic and stellar band with a very rich color to it. You ever look at a band and think, damn, this band can go with anything? Yup, that's what deep navy is. Just like Cypress Green, the dark blue here is very pronounced and is a super rich and deep blue, just as the name suggests. The main purpose of these videos is so you guys have a pretty good idea of how these bands look in different lighting scenarios, especially during lockdown. However, I'm not that big of a fan of blues, just my own personal preference, but there's no denying this band goes hard. And even though it's not my favorite, if this is your favorite new one, by the way, I'm sorry, I still respect a great looking band when I see one, and I have no doubt this band will be among one of the more popular ones this season. And finally, we get to the last of the sport bands. We have Pink Citrus, and first off, can we please appreciate these names? Pink Citrus is the spring band that got lost and made its way into the summer 2020 collection. I say that because this band is the brighter, more show-offy one of the bunch. It's a really interesting color. Imagine a peach color in your head, and then add a healthy dose of pink followed by a smaller amount of red. Boom, there you have Pink Citrus. I totally dig it and personally love how this bright band plays off my tan skin color. It really emphasizes the color and makes it look a lot brighter. So if bright bands is not your style, this may not be the one for you, but nonetheless, it's still a very attractive band and a color that is sure to receive a ton of compliments. We can never have enough watch bands, guys, am I right? Folks, it's crazy, we're just starting, but like I said, FedEx is going to deliver the bands on different days because Apple is releasing some of the styles later on. For example, the leather links come out later in October, but you guys want to know about the giveaway and how you can win one of these brand new bands for yourself. Just like with my previous band review videos, entry is extremely simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel with bell notifications. Ringing that bell ensures you won't miss out on any of my future videos, polls and giveaways. And the second step is to comment down below what your favorite season is of the year. Mine happens to be fall, but let me know about your favorite. I figured I'd change up the question since I'm so hyped for all these fall festivities in the US, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then New Year's, so we can leave this godforsaken year in the history books. Anyways guys, sport loops and solo loops are scheduled next, so stay tuned, be safe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace.